Step 1. Visit www.rcbconlinebanking.com and then click Enroll Now. Step 2. Enter your account card or account card number located at the front of your ATM card. Step 3. Read and understand the terms and conditions, and once you finish, just click the Agree. Step 4. Click Yes, send me one-time password. You have to click the Send me one-time password. Step 5. Enter the one-time password that will be sent to your registered mobile number. Step 6. Provide the necessary personal details such as user ID and password. Sa user ID, do not use a username similar to your email. Do not use also your similar password to your online IDs. So, paki-prepare nyo na po ang iyong user ID and password bago po kayo mag-start register online. Step 7. Confirm your account details. Make sure that the given information is correct, then submit. So, ganun lang po siya kadali. Pagkatapos niyo pong mag-register, so lalabas na po yung congratulations. So, pwede na po kayo mag-login sa inyong mobile phone. Pwede po kayo mag-download ng RCBC apps sa Play Store. Then, pwede na po kayo dun mag-login.